मेरी तबीयत खराब थी and my legs I was shivering and बीच में I was literally I thought कि मैं puke कर दूंगी, इतनी हालत खराब हो रही थी मेरी। हमारा जो opposite वाला gang है उनके members वैसे भी ज़्यादा है तो हमारा बहुत chances था dump होने के लिए।
And we aren't an ideal match, so we don't really have much power. I think everybody has underestimated us. Even the host, I feel like everybody had something to say because we aren't an ideal match. But let me tell you something, we are the perfect match and we're going to take this game by storm.
My God. Hi guys, this is your insider Amir Hossain and हम अभी हमारे first challenge Love Charger खत्म हुआ है and we have our winners Tain and Sadav. How do you guys feel, bro?
Absolutely great. I mean, we won.
How do you feel, Sadav?
A little sick. My stomach hurts, but I'm happy.
Okay. मेरे को एक बात बोलो. Why did you guys choose that specific opponent?
Well, go ahead.
What was the? I want to know the strategy behind it, please.
So I think there's some sort of beef between everyone at the moment, especially Anjali and her.
Yes?
Yes.
Everybody shut up.
I'm doing
Anjali
that.
will
Please
speak.
shut up.
Anjali,
Hi, sir.
don't do that again.
You
I told you
just
the
said everybody
last
to shut
time.
up.
Do not use that word again. Don't use that word. I don't like abuses. If I'm being very nice to you,
everyone shut up.
don't do
So I
that.
also said you
Don't
guys
do that. You don't hear me or you don't understand.
जब dome session खत्म हो गया था, actually you said कि they're not an ideal couple. तो casually मैंने Tain approach किया था and I was like, hey, are you single? Because I've kind of liked you पहले से. So I just put that out there and he, you know, he thought about it. Then he was like, I'm going to be loyal to
Yeah,
her.
she
So I
said
was
she's
like, that's great.
crazy about. I'm crazy about you.
And Anjali said she was crazy about me just before the challenge.
Oh shit.
So I think it was good that we took them out, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we send them home.
Okay. Who do you guys think that was the toughest competition over here? Like, if you guys would have gone against each other?
I feel like we're the only competition.
Okay.
Yeah.
No competition.
No.
at all?
Yogesh, I think, is a bit of a problem.
Yeah, to be honest, he
but-
is. He's good.
Even if we had to choose to go up against him, we'd smoke him. Absolutely. Yeah.
I like the
Definitely.
confidence. So, ये challenge को जीतना तुम दोनों के लिए कितना important था? Like, how important was this challenge for you both?
बहुत ज़्यादा important था because हम लोग वरना dumping zone में चले जाते and हमारा जो opposite वाला gang है उनके members वैसे भी ज़्यादा है तो हमारा बहुत chances था dump होने के लिए बहुत
And we
ज़्यादा
aren't an ideal match, so we
Yeah.
don't really have much power. So
Exactly.
the issue is, we had to win, and we're going to win every single challenge.
Yes.
That
to
I'm saying.
Stay longer in the game, you guys have to win every single challenge because तुम दोनों ideal match नहीं थे, ठीक है? Or if you guys want to say a word for the two people who underestimated you today, what would it be?
God, give them a punch.
For the two people, I think everybody has underestimated us. Even the host, I feel like everybody had something to say because we aren't an ideal match. But let me tell you something, we are the perfect match and we're going to take this game by
Oh
storm.
my God,
ASAP.
lovely यार. Okay. आज का challenge का toughest part क्या था?
For me, मेरी तबीयत खराब थी.
Okay.
And my legs, I was shivering and बीच में I was literally, I thought कि मैं puke कर दूंगी. इतनी हालत खराब हो रही थी मेरी. कुछ समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा था. But for him,
It was a breeze.
Piece of cake.
yeah. Like you got, मतलब chemistry और हो रहा है मतलब धीरे-धीरे. Okay. Do you think मतलब ये win के बाद your bond is going to be stronger?
Absolutely. I think so, yeah.
I think it's only the start.
Only the start.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. अगर आज के challenge में any one moment that you will remember, what would it be? What would it be? That I want to know.
Well,
No, go ahead and then I'll go.
yeah, no, it was literally for me, वो जो last moment पे हम wait कर रहे थे because opponent का भी हमारा I think almost same time पे
हाँ.
end होने वाला था and I was like, please बस कुछ second पहले उनसे पहले हमारे lights on हो जाए because I wanted to win this one so bad. तो वो moment काफी वो था because I was just looking at his face and I was like, we need to win this one and that.
I knew we were going to win from the start.
Yeah, he was telling me like, we
Just
got
chill.
this, we're gonna win this, we're winning this one, I don't know. But he kept on saying that, he was very sure.
ठीक है. अभी like you both are not ideal match, okay? But will this affect your game ahead, or you guys will go find someone who might be an ideal match with you guys? ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है? Tend to say no directly. I want to know your answer.
Yeah, no, I mean, I want to make my bond stronger with him. We will go ahead, एक दूसरे को जानेंगे और टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे. बट अगर हमें कहीं पे लगता है कि कोई और पोटेंशियल इंसान है जिसके साथ हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ गेम वी कुड थिंक ओवर इट कि maybe him or maybe me, we talk to the other people that we will be together.
Okay.
Like, you know, like we will build our connection, but just for the game, maybe we could like
Slightly
use.
confusing.
No, I'm not saying like just how do we explain this? We talk to them and we tell them that how our bond is just for the sake of game, that they also get the power and we get the power in return as well. And we play the
We
the
can
game
work
like that.
together with people, I guess.
Yeah, like working, make a strategy, like how to be together and.
But we can win if we're not ideal match, right?
Of course, there were seasons that people weren't an ideal match. and they
Then it
won.
shouldn't be
We
a
are
problem.
winning.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do a winning signature move together. Like if you guys want to show me some moves or dance
How
together.
about you help us with this?
Me help you. You guys have won.
doesn't
You
matter,
let's
bro.
celebrate
I
it
just-
together. I don't know what you want to do.
Let's celebrate together only.
How you want to? We too will celebrate after the show, bro. But yeah, but now any signature move you both have and you want to dance, like you know, show me something like whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Congratulations once again, guys. Hopefully,
bro. Appreciate
you
it.
guys will kill it.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully.
Thank you.
We already are.
Yeah, let's
let's be
go.
real.
Let's go. Guys, this was Stain and this was Sadaf. You guys stay tuned and keep watching MTV Splitsvilla 16.